All right, this is a mission loadout inventory checklist. It's built so that it's easy to fill out and print. And the idea is whether it's an evacuation drill or a camping trip or a tactical mission, you have the ability to list item names, enter the quantity, give them a category, and then indicate the stored location and the packed location as well as notes. So stored location may mean that maybe you've got something that lives in a drawer in the kitchen or in the garage, and then you know that when you're going to evacuate or you're going to go and camp or go on a mission, you're going to pack it somewhere. So this helps you save time. It'd be efficient for you to have this printed out if you're planning a trip, so that you would know, oh, it's stored here, I'm going to pack it there, and this can scale and you can print it. Cheers.